DJ Tactics, 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 Ticks, Sticks, Six, Tactics, Ticks, Tactics, Ticks. Dmitry Vinokurov, also known as DJ Tactics DJ, sound producer and cultural figure from Russia, Moscow. His career has started in the late 1998 as a DJ and sound producer. His scene name comes from the parallel to the ways of using different tactics in approaching particular styles and genres. It sends a message of diversity that can be applied to mixing, recording, and scratching. His style is described by Rolling Stone magazine as addicted to phat beats and making the crowd head nod over the beats. His main styles are hip-hop. Career, In 2001, at the age of 14, he began experimenting with scratching turntablism that led into working with Vestax company that invited DJ Tactics to organize a first Vestax Extravaganza Championship in Russia to send a first-ever Russian champion to the World Finals. In 2002, he organized and judged Vestax Extravaganza Russian Finals that led to the World Finals in London's Fabric Club. Established in 2013, he co-founded Flammable Beats, a DJ and promo group in Russia, specializing in hip-hop, funk, soul, reggae, and electronic music genres that played a role in popularizing these music genres on a Russian club scene in 2000s. In 2020, a movie director, Tatiana Chekova, filmed and released a documentary movie about the group and their impact on the Russian club scene in 2000's box of matches. His music career was always followed by the extreme sports events. He performed on the most of extreme events in 2000s, including snowboard, skateboard, BMX extreme sports events in Russia. In 2007, a New York Times wrote in the article about Moscow club scene, one way to measure the heat at a private club in Moscow is to find out whether DJ Tactics is in the house. Flammable Beats also hosts a self-named radio show on 100.1 FM Radio Silver Rain and releasing podcasts every month. Tactics has worked with various Russian acts like Basta, Timothy Sergey Voronov, The Crossroads, Goff, Legalize, Slovetsky, Slim, Kripa Krip, Strij DCMC, Dunia. In 2009, he started touring with Russian hip-hop group Center as a tour DJ, doing 100 different cities all over Russia. In 2012, he was invited to work with the Russian pop/rock legend, music composer, and vocalist Grigory Leps. In 2015, Tactics was nominated as DJ of the Year on Jagermeister Awards. Tactics has opened shows for international acts like Wu-Tang Clan, Method Man, GZA, Ghostface Killah, Redman, the Trio de la Soul, DJ Premier, Mixmaster Mike, The Beat Junkies, Invisible, Scratch Pickles, Matasiahu, Jane Almani, Snoop Dogg, Diplo, DJ Todd Terry, Nightmares on Wax. In 2017, he performed as soloist in a famous concerto for turntables piece by Gabriel Prokofiev in the House of the Unions with symphonic orchestra. In 2012, he launched his author show on YouTube, Tactics of Sound, the show about teaching the knowledge of music production and DJing. Show featured guests like Africa Bambaataa, George Clinton, DJ Zinc, Kid Koala, Invisible, Scratch Pickles, DJ Newmark, DJ J Rock, DJ Jazzy Jeff, Neil McClellan. Tactics has also worked and endorsed a number of brands like Vestax, Digide Sign, Ure Denon, Universal Audio, Skullcandy, Ultrasone, Adam Serato, Pioneer DJ, DC Shoes. In 2019, Tactics was invited by the Teletour Communications Company to feature on their special projects, where people could send a voice message to their social networks in boxes, and specialized bot will propose them to use one of 3 beats from DJ Tactics to put their voice messages on and send back the mixed result. During his career, he released a number of mixtapes, self-releases, and featured on various releases, as well as composed soundtracks for movies and advertisements. Pipamix's website reviewed his release Cold Blood Chillin' Vol. 2 as "This might be the best mix I've heard this year. all sorts of acapellas blended over funky breaks and other diverse tracks. Highly recommended. Non-music career. Throughout his career, he organized various DJ and dance-related events, TMC DJ World 2008 to the present, ITF International Turntablist Federation 2003-2005, later IDA International DJ Association 2014-2017. Worked as a creative director at Rolling Stones Bar 2012-2015. Boiler Room 2019 at Krasnaya Polyana, Russia. Launched an educational project for kids with the Department of Culture of Moscow. Rewind series for DC Shoes. G-Shock Scratch 2014 DJ competition. TV and show appearances. Appeared as a main DJ throughout the whole show on Must TV channel in the show Battle for Respect. Appeared as a main DJ throughout the whole show on MTV Beats and Vibes. Appeared as a main DJ in Versus Battle YouTube show about lyrically battling MC. Appeared as a main DJ and host throughout the whole show in Tactics of Sound. Appeared in 2 episodes as a guest judge on the show Voice of the Streets. Music projects. Tactics X Desla Tactics and Mick Desla UK. Mean Barbados Tactics and Sergey Voronov. Ru, U, of, Ru, U, of, Ru, U, of, Ru, 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 Ru. Lofi Rumba Avant-Garde, Lofi, Hip-Hop. Discography and Production. Releases by year. 2020. A single. Good Times Instrumentals EP. Wabai Sabai EP. Versus EP. Telebeats EP. Movie and Advertisement Production. Nevalashka. Featurings. With Basta Fort, Guff, Druge Avalna, Ni Vsi Potiriano Pogo, Stvetsvino, Kripa Krip 40 Strock, Strijfort, Amir D. Vizhakov. Mixtapes. 2003 The Mixtape. 2004 Rap-Roo Special. 2012 Love and Happiness Feat. DJ Pirumov, Pirumov. 2013 Cold Blood Chillin' Vol. 1. 2015 Wild 15. 2016 Cold Blood Chillin' Vol. 2. 2016 Earthquake. 2017 Crown Jewels. 2018 CD is Dead. 2018 Love and Arrows for Esquire. 2019 Mercy Dem Gone. References